Hello dear children, good morning everyone. In the previous lesson 14, we have learned verbs. So dear children, we know what is the meaning of verbs, right? The meaning of a verb is doing words or action words are called verbs that we have learned in the previous lesson in deeper. And today we are going to continue the same topic verbs again with the next topic, next lesson 15. So verbs we have learned about it very deeper in the 14 chapter 14, and now we are going to continue the same lesson 15, right? So if in verbs we have different types. In verbs we have different types. So today we are going to learn the first step, not first step, very simple step we are going to learn. Since all are in third standard, we are going to learn the simple step, right? So we know already verbs meaning. So here we have given 15 verbs. In that 15 verbs, we are going to add ing to the following verbs. So we have wear, end, look, read, push, teach, pay, help, go, touch, bark, walk, turn, cross, post. So we have 15 verbs. So in each verbs have its own meaning. Meanings are not same. So it has different meanings. So in these verbs, and my dear children, please remember one thing, we can add only ing form only with the verb. Where we can use verb. Before going to the to this exercise, first understand what is where we have to add verbs. We can use verbs only in verbs. We can use only ing form only in verbs. This ing form verbs, where we can use it, sir? These verbs can be used only in continuous tenses. We have three tenses: present, past, and future. So in these three tenses, we have 4 sub tenses in each. So altogether we have 12 tenses. So among 12 tenses, we have 6 continuous tenses: present continuous tenses, present perfect continuous tenses, right? And past continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and future continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. So we have 6 tenses. In these 6 tenses we can use. So dear children, first remember, in all continuous tenses we have to use verb plus ing. Here with this verb we have to use ing form. Clear? In continuous tenses we have to use verb plus ing form, right? So most of us are making the mistake in continuous tenses. We don't add ing form in the verb, simply we use the normal base form of verb. So regarding tenses and all these things we will learn it afterwards. So when the chapter comes, when the lesson comes, we will learn about it. Don't worry about it, we will learn very deeper. We will learn very deeply afterwards. Okay, first for the timing, first understand, to add ing form with a verb, we have plenty of lot of rules and regulations. We have lot of rules and regulations. So here we have, in these normal verbs, we simply have to add ing form. Wear ing form, and end, add ending, right? We don't do anything, we add ing form with the verb. We don't remove anything, we don't change anything, we simply add ing. And then looking, L-O-O-K, looking, right? Same. Reading, we add simply reading. Pushing, teaching, paying, helping, going, touching, barking, walking, and turning, crossing, posting. Dear children, all these verbs, okay, meaning doesn't change. Meaning does not change. Meaning is same. But the thing is, we have to use all these verbs with the ing form. With the ing form. Sir, what about these verbs, sir? If the verb does not end with ing, we cannot use with or in continuous tenses. If you are going to use continuous tenses, the verbs which must be added with ing form, like this. Okay. So dear children, why we don't add simply add? Because all these ending words are consonants. We have learned already the vowels, right? A, E, I, O, U. So most of the rules and regulations are based on the vowels. Okay? A, E, I, O, U. Right? So here all these verbs are ending with consonants, except it has different rule. The pronunciation, okay, based on the pronunciation. So based on that, we add ing. We don't remove anything. Yes, dear children, and we are going to see the next exercise that is quite different. But we are going to add ing only, but that is quite different. Right, dear children? Here we go. Let's see. Drop the e at the end of the word and add ing. What now we are going to do is, in all we have 10 verbs. This is also called verb. Live, dance, blaze, dare, blame, taste, hope, write, erase, close. So everything we have, all these 10 words are called is a verbs. So dear children, now what we are going to do? We are going to remove. See here, in every verb ending with, it is ending with e. Everything it is ending with e. Now what we are going to do? We are going to remove this. We are going to drop. Drop means remove it. Remove e and then add ing form like this. Live, living. Live, living. We dropped it. And the dance, remove e, dancing. And the blaze, remove e, blazing. Dare, remove e, daring. Blame, blaming. Taste, tasting. Hope, hoping. Write, writing. Erase, erasing. Close, closing. So dear children, in all these verbs, see here, everything is ending. There is a rule here which we applied. If the verb ends in consonant, vowels, e. If the verb ends in e, we have to drop e and add ing form. So we have different types of rules and regulations that we will learn it afterwards. When the lesson comes, when the time comes, we will learn about it. But for the timing, if the verb ends in e, we have to remove e and then add ing form. So this first today we will learn that okay. If verb ends in e, remove e and then add ing form. Okay, dear children? Okay, dear children, today we have learned about adding ing form. So how would we add? We use ing form only with the verb. In that ing form verb, we use only in continuous tenses, not in any other tenses. Okay, and if the normal verbs, we can simply add ing form with the verb. And if the verb ends in vowel e, we have to drop, remove e and then we have to add ing form. Right, dear children? So today we have learned very simple lesson. Please recollect, read once again and write the answers in your notebook. and try to find out some verbs ending with E. So and then practice by yourself. Okay, dear children, study properly at home. Thank you.